Hello boys, good morning. Welcome to the class once again. Hope you are fine at home. You're doing studies and writing. Good boys. I know you have been very good boy, right? Ma'am is here today to teach you counting. Write in figures 1 to 100, right? Now you have got your number of copies. Open the page like this, right? Open the page like this and begin from here, from this page, right? Now ma'am is made over here in the board. In your page, in your copy, there is no margin. Margin तो है ही नहीं, तो कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे हम? तो हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पहले दो स्क्वायर में दो क्रॉस लगा देंगे, right? First of all, we'll write date here. Today's date, 21st, 7th, that means July 20. Then write the heading. Write in figures. What is figures? Figures is counting only. So you know to write counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Right? 1 to 100. And this is class work. Because अभी स्कूल तो है ही नहीं, तो we have to write class work का भी लिखना है, homework का भी लिखना है, okay? But you know to write 1 to 100. आप लोगों ने पहले सीखी हुई है? Now see, ma'am is written here 1. We will not leave any gap, right? 1, 2, 3. And remember boys, always touch the line. Don't write on top. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we'll come to the next line. In next line we will leave one line. One square we will leave. Right? It has to look neat also. So we'll leave one full line. Then begin. After 10 what comes? 11. Then write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Again, we will leave this full line, right? Then write 21, 22, like this. Is it looking neat? Yes? See, ma'am is written here. This is your copy. See, ma'am is written date here. Write in figures 1 to 100. And I told you there is no margin here. So we will put 2 cross. Always put 2 cross and begin. Your work should look like this. Right? ऐसा लिखना है, देखो मैम ने लिखे 21, एक लाइन. And next page also we'll put 2 cross. Cross, that means you have to leave 2 square, right? So till 100 you will write like this and CW. You will be writing 2 pages boys, right? Now next page open like this and write the date. Again leave 2 square like this. Then put the heading. Write in figures 1 to 100 and homework. Then you'll write, evening you write, or tomorrow morning you write, anytime you can write. But you'll be doing 2 times. 1 to 100, एक बार लिख दिया और फिर से लिखना है. Okay boys? Now you've written already 1 page here. Now next page, again you'll be writing. So 1 to 100 you have to write twice. ठीक है? एक तो मॉर्निंग में लिख लिया, अगर इवनिंग को आपको मन लगे फिर से लिख लेना, नहीं तो फिर कल सुबह लिख लेना. Okay? 1 to 100. So don't forget to leave 2 square. After writing 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10, again leave 1 square. Then it will look neat. Right? Leave 1 square. Hope you understood? Yes? Good boys. So you will be doing this work, number work. Okay? Do neatly, and when I meet you, I'll check the copy, then you'll get a big star. Right? God bless you. Bye-bye.